Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Data Warehousing and Data Mining. Now today's topic is Knowledge Discovery Database Steps. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you about knowledge discovery. This knowledge discovery is a process of discovering valuable information from collection of data, or it is the process of converting raw data into useful information. So it is a kind of, you can say, activity that produces knowledge by discovering it or deriving it from existing information. And this knowledge discovery refers to the overall process of discovering useful knowledge from data, and data mining refers to particular steps in this process. Now the second thing is, why do we need knowledge discovery process? This is also an important question. This is of course we know that this is information age, and there are lots of data which we are creating day to day in our daily life. So data overload creates various problems to us to search proper information. So deductively, knowledge discovery process helps us to find accurate information. And of course there is an urgent need for a new generation of computational theories and tools to assist humans in extracting useful information knowledge from the rapid growing volumes of digital data. And this is in various fields such as science and business, like marketing, investment, fraud detection and telecommunications. So the next is the example. You see in this figure there is data overloaded, and I just increase the size of, okay. So there are data overloaded: science, marketing, finance, healthcare, retail. Okay, so here all the things which is massive data and huge amount of data which we cannot easy for us to handle or control it. So some data overloaded examples are like in Walmart records 20 millions per day, and 40s healthcare transactions multi gigabytes database, and mobile oil geological data of over 100 terabytes. So data is the most important tool to gain a competitive edge by providing improved customized services. And what kind of data can be processed? We can process database data, data warehouse, transactional data, and in other kinds of data like time related, sequence data, data streams, spatial data, hypertext and multimedia data, graphs and network data, engineering design data like AutoCAD, web, etc. Okay, so the characteristics are that it is an interactive, iterative procedure to extract knowledge from data, and for the knowledge being searched for is, it is implicit or previously unknown, potentially useful. So you can see in this diagram, these are basically the steps of KDD process. First you see here is the database. In the database we apply the cleaning and integration process. Okay, so after cleaning, or you can say removal of noise, removal of noise from the database. So after cleaning, and then we have to integrate that data. Then that data we need to transfer it into this phase. Okay, this is the phase where we apply the selection and transformation activity, and after this we need to move this data for the data mining process. Here data mining process means filtration of the information that is for our requirement, or you can say finding the hidden information from the database. Okay, so after this data mining, and there are some patterns which we get, and these patterns we need to evaluate and presentation. So after evaluation and presentation we require the, or you can say user required the knowledge which we require exactly. So in between works in the flat files also, and these patterns. So this is basically the process of the KDD steps. Okay, so steps of KDD discovery process means data cleaning. You need to clean the data, means remove the noise or inconsistent data. Okay, this I have already discussed in the KDD session. Okay, so second is the data integration. Is in this step there are multiple, you can see here, multiple sources, and you need to remove all that noises, and then after removal noises you need to integrate it. After that you have to find that filter data. Okay, so the next is a selection. It is of course an important step, in which we have to find the data relevant to the analysis task and retrieve from the database. Okay, so the next is the transformation. Transformation is if kind of appropriate for mining by performing summary or aggregation operations. So you need to do this operation while we are using the KDD steps. And next comes to the data mining. Data mining is simply the extraction of hidden information, or you can say intelligent methods are applied in order to extract data patterns. So these methods may be association, classification, decision tree, clustering, and regression. So this I have already told in my other videos, like decision tree and data mining. What are the techniques of this clustering, regression? I have already discussed. Association rule also discussed in my previous videos, so just go through those videos. And then lastly is the pattern evaluation. Pattern evaluation is the in which data patterns are evaluated. Means you need to identify the truly interesting patterns representing knowledge based on interestingness measures. So this is of course one of the important step, or you can say final step. Okay, then after the knowledge presentation, in this step knowledge is represented by various visualization tools like tables, chart, graphs. So where visualization and knowledge representation techniques are used to present mind knowledge to user. So you try to use those visualized tools from which we or you can say users will understand easily. Okay, so this process is the the KDD process has three parts: academic research model, industrial models, and hybrid models. I have already discussed these three models in my previous videos, so just go through those videos. And thank you. This is all about today's session. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.